What is up, guys, and thanks for tuning in. And as you can tell by the thumbnail, we finally got this thing running again. Man, I am stoked. Started from here. I'm keeping the old block as a reminder. Never ever let that happen again. Man, that was painful. But we're past that. We've got the new one in. Everything is fully assembled together and running great. Man, I'm super stoked. I cannot begin to tell you how relieved I am. This thing sounds really good too, man. That LS3 through these MagnaFlows is sounding great. Super stoked. There is a pretty good sense of pride too, because being able to build the engine from the ground up with your hands, as well as all the customization on this car, all the swaps, all electronics, all the computers, man, it is sick. And I am no master mechanic, and I am no guru by any means, but through the forums on the internet, YouTube, and the help of all the fellow third geners, man, there's plenty of information out there, and you could probably do it too if you haven't done so already. So that's where we're at. I'm gonna take a little walkthrough and show you guys some of the stuff that I did run into an issue with, stuff I had to tweak, issues I had to overcome, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, this is it. This is an important moment. This is going to be the first test drive. I'm a little bit nervous because I don't want anything bad to happen. And a lot of these parts are actually from Craigslist Marketplace, and a lot of them are untested too. So this should be pretty interesting to see what the heck happens, and we're going to go from there. Pressure is good. All my other gauges are good. AFR is good. We're gonna see what this bad boy can do. Now, being a brand new engine, man, I've got to resist the urge to actually want to get on it too much, because it is really hard to do when you just want to floor it. My speed sensor is not reading correctly. I'm not sure if that's going to mess with the tune or anything like that, being a speed density setup. My temperature is good. I need to go put some fresh gas in this thing. It's been a while. huge relief off me right there. Yeah, man. Alright guys, I'm gonna get some better shots of actually driving. That was the first test drive right there. I'm gonna put some fresh gas in this thing, some 91 non-oxy. And we're gonna do another drive. Everything looks good, and if everything keeps staying good, we're gonna go drive it again. So stay tuned. Alright guys, there it is. This is the first time I've actually driven this car to the gas station since I've changed everything. Man, it feels good to finally get this thing out of the garage. Doing a quick check for fluid leaks, make sure nothing's leaking. Everything looks good. I don't see nothing dripping. It's all looking good. We're gonna do some more test drive and see what happens. All right guys, so far so good. We're gonna see if this bad boy is gonna keep going. Man, this is awesome. I'm so stoked. I can't get on it too much, man, but it's a brand new engine. All right guys, well there you have it. I'm calling this a huge monumental victory for the first test drive in the Camaro. That thing was ripping, man. It sounded good. It was pulling hard. I didn't want to get on it too hard just because the engine is still new, so I had to resist some of the urge. I want to get those rings to seat properly, to seal real good and not have any issues later on down the road with burning oil. But man, I am stoked. That is awesome. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you got any questions about the Fitech LS swap, anything with the 3rd gen. And yeah, so stay tuned. We'll have more videos coming out soon. There's gonna be some cool shots, man. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys later.